So it's September. I've come up to the garden, the vegetable part of the English tropical garden, and I don't know if you can see, but what were fine looking sweet corns upright have been bashed to the ground. Look at this. And the husks with the corn, look, they've eaten whatever it is. It's taken all the corn and left me with this. So I hope they enjoyed it, because I don't think I'll be getting the chance. Not now. Oh, they've missed, look, they've missed one. Look, oh dear, aren't I lucky? Woohoo! But there we are. Yet another joy of gardening in the countryside. Now I wonder what it was. Fox, badger, deer. Could be any three. Anyway, it wasn't a cat. So that's a very short video from me today. Oh look, poor sweet corn. And we're going to have flowers on here soon, which are the Jerusalem artichokes. Anyway, that's all from me. Speak to you again soon.